Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you guys the concept of arithmetic progression. In short, I am going to teach you guys the concept involved in the topic arithmetic progression. I hope it will be useful to you. The formula and concepts related to arithmetic progression are: first is sequence. What is a sequence? A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order and according to some rule. For example, if we take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this is a sequence in which we get the, if we take the first number as 1, if we get 3 by adding 2 to 1. So similarly we get 5 by adding 2 to 3. Similarly we get 7 when we add 2 to 5. So in this sequence each successive number is 2 greater than or 2 more than the previous or the preceding term. So this is the sequence. So sequence is nothing but when we take, it is an arrangement of numbers. It cannot, it is not just an arrangement of numbers, it is anything which is arranged. Whereas when we take in case of mathematics, a sequence is nothing but an arrangement of numbers which is adhering to some rule and in a definite order. The second concept is terms. The various numbers occurring in a sequence are called terms. The order of a sequence is always fixed. Hence, the terms are known by the positions which they occupy or take in the sequence. For example, if we see over here 1, 3, 5, 7 up to n, this is an infinite sequence. Let us take the same example which we mentioned in the previous example, which is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Over here we can say first number is 1, so we can say that as first term. 3 is coming in the coming after 1, so we can say that it is the second term, so we can denote it as A2. Third term A3, fourth term A4. Similarly, the nth term we can take it as An, or this An or is also called as the general term of the arithmetic progression or AP. Now moving on, what is arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a special case of sequence where the difference between a term and its preceding term, that is its previous term. If we take a term and its previous term, that is if we take a number and its previous number, when we take the difference between those two numbers, it is always the same, and this particular constant number is known as the common difference and is denoted by CD or D. Usually we take the common difference as D. Now next is general form of an arithmetic progression or AP. The general form of an arithmetic progression is nothing but A, and we get an arithmetic progression when we add the common difference. So first term it is always denoted as A. The second term we can get when we add the common difference to A. So A plus D. Next A plus 2D. So if we take for fourth term, it would be A plus 3D. Fifth term it would be A plus 4D. So similarly if we take to nth term, it would be A plus n minus 1 into D. So for example, if we take the same example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the same sequence, here the common difference D, the common difference that is D is nothing but 2. So we can say that this sequence is an arithmetic progression. It is an AP. In an AP, if the first term and the common difference is given or known, then we can calculate the general term or the nth term by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term, n is the term number, that is which term we are calculating, that number, and d is the common difference of the AP, that is arithmetic progression. Next formula or concept is sum of the first n terms of an AP. Previously we found how can we find the nth term of an AP. Now we are going to study about summation of AP. In the formula of AP, the sum of the progression term with n term, a, as we know a is the first term and we also know that d is the common difference. If all these are given, we can find out the summation of the series by the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2 times a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is the number of the terms, a is the first term and d is the common difference of the AP, which is nothing but arithmetic progression. If L is the nth term of a finite AP, here it is clearly given it is a finite AP, so there is an end, that is there is a last term to this AP. So then we can find the sum of all the terms of the AP by the formula Sn equal to n into a plus L by 2, where n is nothing but the number of terms, a is the first term and L is the last term. We can also say L as an sometimes, because an and al are interchangeably used. The next concept is sum of the first n positive integers is given by. So summation of first n positive integers is given by the formula S equals n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is a number or integer. Now fourth formula is, if let's say there are 3 numbers or 3 values a, b, c which are in AP, then we can say that b is called the arithmetic mean of a and c, and we can find b by the formula a plus c by 2. And that's all the concepts of arithmetic progression. I hope it would be very useful to you guys. Thank you very much. If you really like it, please like it and share your views in the comment section. Thank you all.